Hey everyone! Today, we're showing you the new updated method to change the quick chat in Honor of Kings. Fast, easy, and ready for battle. From the main game screen, we tap the gear icon in the top right corner. This opens the settings menu where we can tweak game controls, graphics, and communication features. In settings, we scroll until we see quick chat. Once we tap it, we'll see several message slots we can customize for in-game communication. We select a slot, then either type our own short message or choose from the preset list provided by the game. It's best to keep these messages short and clear so teammates understand instantly during a match. Once we're happy with the changes, we hit save. Then we can jump into a match, tap a quick chat button, and test new messages in real-time gameplay. And that's it. Our quick chat in Honor of Kings is now personalized for faster and better team communication. If this helped, drop the like and subscribe for more updated gaming guides. This has been How to Literally, where we keep things smart and simple and scam-free.